I am in shock right now. I just got a package from Tula. Tula Skincare is so good. I can't believe they actually sent me something. And I have the package upside down. It says Tula. Oh my god. This is crazy. We love your girl. Thank you, Tula. Okay. We have the Cult Classic Cleanser. This is a good one. I like this one so much. Wow. Okay, sorry. And we have the H2 Oasis Instant Skin Reviving Mask. I have not used this yet, but I'm gonna. I'm excited. Then we have the Rose Glow and Get It. Oh, I've been wanting these so bad. These are little like eye balms. Oh, that feels good. That feels really good. I can't believe I actually... The 24-hour moisturizer. I have also used this before and it is awesome. This moisturizer is really light. It's good for your daytime or nighttime. So if y'all don't know, I do not like chemical sunscreen, but this one from Tula Skincare, it sits great under makeup and it gives you the coverage and it makes your skin glow like nothing else. And for my acne prone girlies, this is safe for you. It is a beautiful sunscreen. Oh my gosh. Tula, thank you so much for sending me this. I'm so appreciative. And let me know what you guys want reviews on. I'll probably review all of it, but oh my god, this is so sweet. Thank you so much. I'm in shock. I think that's all I gotta say. Tula, thank you so much.